If your job is done entirely on a laptop, this is your warning. Not tomorrow, not 5 years from now, now. Because something fundamental has changed. For the first time in modern history, millions of people are no longer competing with other people for work. They're competing with software. Software that doesn't sleep, doesn't complain, doesn't negotiate salary, and costs less per month than your internet bill. This isn't panic. This isn't science fiction. It's a structural shift, and most people don't see it yet. The comfortable illusion. Right now, everything feels normal. Emails are still being sent. Meetings still fill calendars. Dashboards still update. Projects still move forward. And that's the dangerous part. Because disruption never announces itself with chaos at first. It arrives quietly, while things still seem fine. Before every major collapse, real estate, finance, tech, there's a period where the system appears stable. Jobs still exist, paychecks still land, and people assume continuity equals safety. It doesn't. It just means the replacement isn't fully deployed yet. Why laptop-only work is different. Here's the uncomfortable truth. If your work exists entirely inside a screen, it can be observed, learned, copied, and automated. Not because you're bad at your job, but because the work itself is structured. Anything that follows patterns, reports, summaries, research, documentation, scheduling, analysis, templated communication is fuel for automation. AI doesn't replace people, it replaces patterns, and laptop-only jobs are full of them. The biggest lie people believe. The most dangerous lie in the AI era is this: if I work harder, I'll be safe. Hard work doesn't protect you from automation. Positioning does. Effort matters inside systems that reward effort. Automation replaces effort. What survives is judgment, ownership, accountability, trust, context. AI can generate outputs. It cannot own outcomes. And companies don't pay for activity. They pay for results. The Great Divide. Flood zone versus high ground. As AI spreads, work is splitting into two zones. The flood zone. This is where tasks are scripted. Success is measured by volume. Work is evaluated by speed. Output matters more than impact. It looks productive, but it's fragile. When AI improves, this entire zone gets cheaper overnight. The high ground. This is where decisions are made. Trade-offs are evaluated. People take responsibility. Real-world consequences exist. AI can assist here, but it cannot replace it. The question isn't, do you use AI? The question is, are you replaceable by someone who does? A real example. I've seen AI products that look incredible. Beautiful demos, fast responses, cutting-edge tech. Then you ask one question. How many customers use this daily? Silence. Because demos are easy. Real adoption is hard. The same is true for jobs. If your value exists mainly in theory, not in outcomes people depend on, you're exposed. Here's a simple distinction that matters more than your job title. Scripted work follows instructions, repeats patterns, produces predictable outputs. Strategic work makes decisions under uncertainty, deals with people, not prompts, owns consequences. AI eats scripted work. Humans remain valuable where judgment is required. If most of your time is spent executing instructions rather than deciding direction, you are in danger, even if your job feels important today. What to do next? This isn't about quitting your job. It's about changing your leverage. 3 steps. Step 1. Audit your work. What part of your job is scripted? What part requires judgment? Be honest. Step 2. Automate yourself. Use AI to eliminate your own low-value tasks before someone else does. This isn't self-sabotage, it's self-preservation. Step 3. Reinvest in your human edge. Use the time you save to think deeply, to build relationships, to understand the business, to own outcomes. AI accelerates execution. Humans must upgrade their thinking. The final warning. AI won't fire you. Someone using AI will. This isn't the end of work. It's the end of comfortable work. If your job is done entirely on a laptop, this is your moment to move, not panic. Those who reach higher ground won't just survive what's coming, they'll benefit from it. And there's still time.